Hello, this is a video about telnet, and telnet is kind of a Windows optional feature or program which enable you to basically mainly being a server. And you want being a server, for example, to see if the connection is working. And you can also use the command line tool if you click on the CMD, and then you can click ping google.com, for example. You can see how long it takes and so on, but you cannot really ping Google.com with the port. For example, you want to know does my connection to this port work? So you need to go over telnet maybe if you want. On my machine right now, telnet is not installed. As you can see here, telnet minus version doesn't exist, but this is the command to check how telnet is used, and it doesn't exist. So we have to install it first, and optional feature is the way to go. And you see here in Windows features, and if you scroll the bottom, you can see Tenant Client here, and then you click OK. But there's also different way. If you want to know, you can also just copy paste this command, which is used to enable the feature in code. Elevated permissions. Okay. You have to. This doesn't work from here because I didn't run the CMD, the command line tool, as administrator. So I have to do this. And now we can run the command and it will work. Copy. I have it on my different screen. So now it is enabling and it takes some while and now it's completed. So this is the other way. And you have to do it as an admin. Otherwise you get error 740. And error 740, Windows error 740 is the administrator is needed. So it makes sense. And if you have installed the telnet, you can just click telnet here and you are in the telnet. And then basically what you want to do is try to see how the google.com is working on a specific port, for example on the 23. But this you cannot run directly in the telnet because you are now in the telnet. You would run it from CMD just, for example, here. It tries to connect, but it probably doesn't work because this is not an open port which is used for Google, but the 80 port is used for just normal HTTP traffic. So this is going into the telnet of the google.com, and now you see it is working. And if you have your own server and you want to check, is maybe firewall something happening? So you just do this and install the telnet, and then you can find out if it connects to your port, and if it doesn't, it looks like this. So that is it. Thank you for your patience with all the subjects. By the way, I have here some some main uses of the telnet. And the first one is just what I've tried you here with some example. By the way, does this work? Is this some real IP? Let's just try out. Hmm, probably not. Okay, yeah, testing simple text-based services, for example, here, this one with a mail, or as well, you can do something else here with more port-specific things, but in general, this is a use case, and yeah, thank you for the attention, and really happy to follow the feedback and engagement of all the people on YouTube and other social media, and yeah, keep up the learning. And I will reach back to you guys whenever I have something new to offer. And yes, bye bye. Ciao.